All right, bitches, let's meal prep. So I just bought this rice cooker. It's so easy. You just put it in there and click cook. I put regular chicken breast in the crock pot. Then I add minced garlic and buffalo sauce. I don't like spicy, so I get mild. There's only 20 calories in the sauce, 5 calories in the garlic, and then chicken. So it's pretty limited calories, but maximum flavor. That's what it's gonna look like before. Put the top on and let it cook for a few hours. Wash and cut your sweet potatoes. Dang. Spray them with olive oil, pink Himalayan salt, ground pepper. You need cinnamon on your sweet potatoes. As much cinnamon as possible. Also like to add ground allspice. Oh, it smells like Christmas. That's it. And we're putting it in the oven at 375 degrees for maybe 40 minutes. Next up, we've got salmon. I paid $50 for this fillet of salmon. Inflation is crazy. Damn, she's thick. I was not expecting it to be this big. This is worth $50. Gotta make some room for the thick shotties. Step 1, ground mustard. I don't even like mustard, but there's something about ground mustard on salmon that just slaps. Hella ground mustard. Paprika. Salt. Peppa. Like Peppa the pig. Can't forget the garlic. Always gotta have the garlic. I like rosemary. If you've never tried it, maybe you should. That's it. This one's also going in the oven. 375 for 20 minutes. The ground turkey is super simple. Garlic, and just let it cook on the pot for a few minutes to get brown. Then I just throw the ground turkey in the pot, add some salt and pepper, and then keep it covered so it stays nice and moist.